Take your time, Queenie. Focus. See? Try again. Oh, where? Take it, no problem. No problem, continue. Skip, Queenie. This is the guys, the golfer in Saskatchewan, Canada. If you want to try to driving range, it's the cheapest. And I hit now for now is a 70 ball for training practice. This is the best if you board in the house. Take it, Queenie. Go. Good. More. Learn how to put the ball. Straight, Queenie. Another golfers. Go. Swing, Queenie, so you become flying. Oh, watch this. Oh, take it. Go there. Counter to the sound, huh?
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 100 yards. Okay. You see the ball?
No. Can barely see it.
Maybe in the clouds, Queenie. Queenie.
Almost.
Continue, Queenie.
Maybe not.
I give it 3 balls, Queenie. Okay. 350. With the driving range.
Ooh!
100 yards. Let's go, Queenie, for him.
Take two. Yeah. Yeah. But nice hit. Oh!
Fly in the sky. It's 150 yards. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, what?
Yeah.
Continue. Uploading later. Golfers practicing golf. Okay. It's fun. Windy, clear sky. What else? Hit the ball, Queenie. Slower. See? Go. 2 more. Oh, stand the ball straight.
This one? Oh. Okay.
160 ball. Sarap nga eh. Practice, 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 practice. Tomorrow again. Okay. Hit the ball, Queenie. Yes. Oh, take two, Queenie. Oh. Good. Another one. Malapit lang naman, tanga. Continue, Queenie. Hit the ball. Swing. Oh, next. Careful. Relax. Oh no. Tartado ko yun eh. Okay. Last 2 ball for you. Take 3. Take 4. You quality. Good. No need more power. Last ball. Okay, good. That's it for now. Tomorrow again, practice. Okay, see you guys, and hopefully you like this video for today, this weekend. It's a long weekend because the Tuesday is a holiday, civic day. Okay, see you guys, and hope you like it, and subscribe, and click the button, notification bell, likes, comment, and share. Okay, see you guys.